Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using your Trezor hardware wallet. This process is streamlined through the Trezor Suite application, which integrates trusted third-party services. You can purchase Bitcoin directly and have it sent straight to your secure Trezor device, ensuring your private keys remain offline. This method offers a convenient and highly secure way to acquire digital assets, giving you full control. Before you begin, make sure your Trezor hardware wallet is properly set up and running the latest firmware. Next, download and open the Trezor Suite application on your computer. Connect your Trezor device using its USB cable. Once connected, you will find a dedicated Buy section within the Trezor Suite interface, ready for your purchase. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure transaction. Within the Buy section, first select Bitcoin and your desired local currency, such as US dollars or euros. You will then be presented with several trusted third-party exchange partners. Choose one that suits your needs, enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire, and carefully review all transaction details. Finally, complete your payment using your preferred method. After completing your purchase, your newly acquired Bitcoin will be sent directly to your Trezor hardware wallet. You can easily verify this transaction by checking the history within your Trezor Suite application. The most crucial aspect is that your private keys never leave your device, remaining securely offline. This provides you with unparalleled security and complete control over your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.